There is a general perception that attorneys charge exorbitant fees, and in so doing, they take advantage of their clients. However, as an attorney with over 18 years' experience myself, I can tell you that this is true for a small minority of attorneys. In fact, generally, lawyers do not charge the maximum rates that they could charge. Their rates are well below what is established in set guidelines. These guidelines were put forward in 2015 by the former Chief Justice, Ivor Archie. And what he was really seeking to do in those guidelines is to give clarification to the court in terms of assessment of attorneys' fees in civil matters. As you can see here, the fees are set out hourly and they are separated into distinct categories for instructing and advocate, and of course, years in practice. I would fall into band C because I am 18 years called to the bar and I'm also an advocate. So let's go back to the fees. Under band C, as an advocate, my hourly fee would be $2,300. So let's look at a running down action. A running down action is a personal injury action. So let's say, and these estimates are conservative, let's say that I spend 15 hours of prep. Let's allocate 3 hours to case management. That is obviously before the trial. And allocate three days to a trial at 6 hours a day. You are looking at somewhere around $86,000. I am certainly not going to charge $86,000 for such a matter, and many other attorneys would not. For probate and conveyancing, which is property matters, those fees for attorneys are set out in legislation. So there's no real deviation from that. And in fact, those fees have been set for decades now. They are quite old. Also, a lot of attorneys give of their time and expertise at no cost. Exhibit A. And this is because attorneys, many would have gone into the profession with money not being the sole objective, the sole driver in becoming an attorney. So as usual, please like, share, subscribe, follow, comment, your favorite social media platform, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook at Law and More TT. So until the next time, bye.